Peloton troubleshooting connectivity problems. Experiencing connectivity problems with your Peloton can be frustrating. Connectivity issues can interrupt your workout and disrupt your fitness journey. This section covers common connectivity problems and how to resolve them. Wi-Fi connection drops. Wi-Fi connection drops are common. They can affect your Peloton experience. Follow these steps to fix Wi-Fi issues. 1. Restart your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. 2. Ensure your Peloton is within range of your Wi-Fi network. 3. Check for Wi-Fi interference from other devices. 4. Update your Peloton software and router firmware. If these steps do not work, try connecting to a different network. You can also contact your Internet Service Provider (ISP) for further assistance. Bluetooth pairing issues. Bluetooth pairing issues can prevent your Peloton from connecting to accessories. Here are solutions to common Bluetooth problems. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your Peloton. Turn off and on the Bluetooth feature. Restart the accessory you are trying to pair. Check for software updates on both your Peloton and the accessory. Remove any old devices from your Peloton's Bluetooth list. In some cases, resetting the network settings on your Peloton can help. To do this, go to Settings greater than Network greater than Reset Network Settings. Problem solution, Wi-Fi connection, drops restart router, check range, update firmware, Bluetooth pairing issues, enable Bluetooth, restart devices, update software. This video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.